You know, I believe there comes a time in every man's life when he's forced to make a few key decisions. He's forced to make a decision on who he wants to be. Who can he become in this world? He's forced to make a decision on what impact does he want to have? What lasting legacy does he want to leave behind for others? He's forced to make a decision in himself. Am I going to be a man that chases purpose in this world, that fulfills out a mission, that steps into the life that he was created to be? Or am I going to be a man that seeks meaningless pleasure, instant gratification, short-term pleasure seeking on a daily basis? And it's in this decision process, men, that you uncover the keys to success in breaking out of this pornography addiction. Because it is my belief that when you're struggling with pornography addiction, it is a choice and decision that you are making to stay addicted to pornography. You know, I think back over these last 4 years and what we've been able to do and create here, both with our podcast movement, The Superhuman Life, and our coaching company here at Reboot Recovery, which if you haven't done so yet, make sure to click the link down there in the description box below. Subscribe to the podcast because we're dropping weekly episodes that are absolutely transforming the lives of men all around the world. But all of this started one day when I was forced to make a challenging and difficult decision. I've been in a long-term lasting relationship at that point for almost 4 years right now. I had an amazing woman that was ready to commit and dedicate her life to me. And I was ready to do the same. I'd accomplished a lot up until that point. I was 36 years old at the time. I had started multiple businesses. We had made a significant amount of money. I had walked across bodybuilding stages, competing with some of the best athletes and competitors in the world. But I wasn't fulfilled. I felt like there was a missing part and missing piece inside of me. And what was preventing me from stepping into that part of me was my addiction to pornography. It literally was crippling me from the inside. And after a series of months of challenging myself, looking at what was going on, looking at decisions that I've been making for almost 2 decades at that point, I owned up. I confessed both to myself, but more importantly to others. I realized that if I was going to become the man that God had created me to be, I needed to get radically honest with myself first, and I needed to be radically honest with every single person that cared about me. So over the course of about 3 months, I had multiple conversations. I had conversations with my family. I had conversations with my best friends. I had conversations with the woman that was dedicating her life to me at the time. Now, unfortunately, that relationship ended. But what I've been able to do since making that choice and having that conversation with others, we've been able to go out and impact thousands of men's lives. We've been able to stay porn free here for 4 years now, just in myself. We've been able to take hundreds of men through our Reboot Your Life 16-week coaching program. These guys are now walking out their purpose, their mission in this world. But every single one of them was forced to make a decision one day. Am I the man that I can become? Am I living up to my potential, or am I making choices and decisions on a daily basis that are limiting my growth, that are keeping me from full stepping into the life that I was created to live? And in that one decision, in that one choice, my life was changed, these lives were changed. And when you're ready to make the change and decision yourself, your life will change as well. But I do believe that if you're struggling with pornography addiction right now, it's a choice and decision that you are making to stay stuck in this pattern of behavior. Now, if you want some help, if you want the steps and strategies and a framework to follow and walk out and live a life of freedom, then down there in the first pinned comment below, put a link to our 16-week course. I've talked about it here already throughout this video. Hundreds of men have followed the steps laid out in this program to break the chains, to identify the triggers in their life, to build a life and vision for themselves that can be porn free, but then more importantly, actually stepping it out, making the decision on a daily basis to become the man that you were born to be, which is a porn free man. So down there in the pinned comment below, I'm going to put a link to the Reboot Your Life course. Use code FREEDOM today and you'll save $100 off the entire cost of this course. But Frank Chris from Reboot Recovery, we love you guys. Hope today's video is helpful. If it would, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.